TRPH Halloween Party. Of course, we're hosted by the Bistro. Keith for keeping this group fun. College Grisel. Siya po yung gumawa ng backdrop natin tonight. Of course, we'd also like to thank our sponsors, Nance Bike Shop and DBS Retail Stores, from Maxis Tires and Neo Sigma, and the Bistro by LeBlanc, our venue and the one responsible for the great food that we have tonight. Kain lang po tayo ng kain. We have two grand prizes for tonight. One wave cell helmet, care of TBS. Palakpakan naman dyan. Winner of Maxis Tires, care of Neo Sigma. Palakpakan naman natin ang mga sponsors natin. TBS and Neo Sigma, maraming salamat for supporting TRPH. Items for example, ito lang lang sa alam. Natin as I speak to you. Palakpakan to is okay. Negotiation. Okay. Number 2 is Grisel. Yun! Dapat naman yung costume mo. Yun! show mo?
Rampa sayaw!
Sayaw! Sino?
Congratulations guys!
Mami, anong experience mo sa sayaw? And how it fits your personality?
We have a couple of prizes from our sponsors at mamamabait na nagbigay para sa Halloween for the TRPH. So salamat kay Dan, salamat kay Del Zigma, at salamat kay TRPH dahil marami din tayong TRPH products today. So, ang mga raffle na to, we do have some guitar supplement ornaments. We have model cages. We have TRPH cycling caps, TRPH socks. We also have TRPH gloves for raffle. While those two prizes, the helmet and the tires, are for the winners of the costume contest.
2 packs of Vitargo and
Number 26!
number 26.
Dennis!
TRPH cycling cap again. Number 27. Another TRPH cap. Number 19.
Number 19. Gabriel.
Congratulations. TRPH socks. Number 3. Keith. Picture daw. Third pair of TRPH socks. Number 14. Yoji.
Lagi na lang!
Guys, another pair of TRPH socks. Number 10. Jesse. Congratulations. Gloves is number 34. Drum roll. Rodney gloves. Congrats.
Picture!
Gloves, TRPH gloves. Number 4. Carlo. Shot ulit. Shot. Congrats. Number 12.
Number 12. Ringo.
Pipili siya ng color. Battle cage. Number 17. Andre. Color pink. Lagay niya sa bag ko. Number 5. Awi.
Kamakin mo?
Congrats. More alak.
Ayun na dinner mo!
Picture, Awi. Thank you so much for our sponsor, the Bistro. dalawang nag-top ng ating sa ating costume contest. Tapos, Jack and Poy, pipili daw kung anong prize yung gusto nila. Judges natin for tonight is from the Bistro. Yung in-announce po kanina, si King and si Pat, sila po yung nag-judge ng costumes natin. It's very entirely independent person who judged the costumes for tonight. So wala po tayong bias. First winner, who gathered a score of 90%.
Gohan.
Gohan! Palakpakan naman! The next one is...
Actually, ties na paras ng 90%.
Wow, 90%!
Hindi natin alam sino yung first at second. But this one was judged kasi pairs na. Pares. And this is a Star Wars pair. The Jedi and... parang Jedi. Parang Jedi. Si Mike. Si Rose.
Mike and Rose!
Teka! Anong grade ni TV? Anong grade?
TV, number 10, baby, 60%. Si Goku, because of his creativity at saka sa detail. And then, doon naman daw sa ating Jedi, creativity at saka sa energy.
Oh,